Hello and welcome to another video on statistics. We will learn about the mode, mean and median and how to calculate them on the calculator. The definitions are in front of you. So the mode is the most frequent value, median is the middle value when we order the data from the smallest to the largest. And to calculate the mean, we use this formula here, x with a bar is equal to the sum. We add all the data together and we divide it by the total number of all the data. The problem with the calculator is that it cannot find the mode, so you must be able to find the mode manually. Let's look at the first example. We will first look at the discrete data and all the calculations, and then at continuous data. So here are six pieces of data, and we will try to find the mode, median, and the mean for these six data here. So let's bring the calculator up. These are all the data. Let's first go back home in case you don't know how to find the statistics. So the home button always brings the menu. We choose statistics, okay. One variable calculations, okay. We now input the data, so we press 12, okay. 14, okay, 14, okay, 17, okay, 18, 19. Now we press OK again. It brings one variable results, and if we press it again, you can see the results. So looking at the zooming in, you can see that the mean is 15.7 to three significant figures, and when we scroll down here, the median is 15.5. So the answers are, as you can see here, the mode, there are two values of 14, so this is the mode, median is 15.5, and the mean is 15.7. In the next example, here we have got the number of students with different shoe sizes. The frequencies are at the bottom of the table. And again, we will find the mode, we will find the median and the mean using the calculator. So we will bring the calculator up again. Now we have got the data, the results from the previous calculation. So let's press the back button. And in case you don't have the frequency column there, if you want to turn it on and off, you can always press the tools button, scroll down to frequency, okay, and our frequency is already on, so we don't need to do it, we don't need to turn it on. And then we need to delete all the previous data and put the new data. You can pause the video, enter the data, and then continue watching the video. Okay, so I've entered all the data. As you can see, the shoe sizes from 24 to 29 and all the frequencies are here in the frequency column up till 2. And again, to get the results, we just press OK. One variable results, and again, zooming in. We can see that the mean is 26.4 to three significant figures, and the median is 26. So we can write down the results. The most frequent is 16, so 27, because this is the highest frequency, 27 is the mode. And as we saw before, the median is 26 and the mean is 26.4. Okay, now let's look at the continuous data. So the first thing is we have to add one more row to find the midpoint of each interval. So the first thing we have to do is to calculate the midpoint. So the midpoint between 26 and 30 is 28. You just add them together, divide by 2, between 31 and 35 is 33, and so on. So you can see all the midpoints. Now let's bring the calculator up. So again, we have to delete all the previous data, pressing back. Sometimes the fastest way is just to turn the frequency column on and off. Okay, and then if we turn it on again, it should have deleted all the data. Yep. So again, you can pause the video, enter all the midpoints for axis and the frequencies, and then it will carry on. Okay, so here are all the data, all the axis, midpoints, and frequencies added in. So now we can calculate the results. Again, okay, and we can see that the mean is 41.1 to 3 significant figures, and the median is 38. So we can now display the results. So the model class, you can see that the highest frequency 9 is for the 36 to 40 class. The median was 38, so it's 36 to 40 class again, and the mean was 41.1. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.